Okay. Congratulations sa bagong endorsement.
May kasaya na kayong first endorsers na kami.
For 30 years.
Nakaka-pressure kasi syempre first test. I hope we do things well and sana support niyo po kami sa endeavor na to.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yung hair color ba para talaga sa endorsement yan?
Sa akin.
Oo nga eh. Pero actually parang pinuwig ako sana pala I didn't kasi hindi na rin yung hair color. Para sa makita.
Mami talaga sinusuporta ko siya sa pag-cosplay, sa pagpapalit ng buhok. Ganun talaga yung...
Actually, I resigned from my work just to be able to concentrate on them.
Pinakarin niya talaga.
Yes, full-time.
Mami, na nyo agad yan? Natagnan nyo agad o dumating yung may face na hindi nyo sila pinapayagan?
For Alodia, yung cosplay, at first talagang it was something strange at the time. So parang hindi ko muna sinuport. Pero passion, it's her passion. So I had to give it.
May restrictions po pagdating sa isusuot? Or
Yes,
okay
of
lang?
course. May restrictions. May approval, final approval from me kung okay. Pag medyo sexy sa taas, kailangan covered sa baba. And then pag naka-shorts, short miniskirt siya,
Cover ng taas.
kailangan naka-shorts.
Actually, self-limitation ko din yun eh. So, I just want to keep it like safe for kids somehow na, or hindi naman, cosplay is not just all about being sexy. It's portraying a character. So you can pick any character na, okay naman, na general patronage or something.
Ano dyan, gandang goodies yung sinabi mo kanina.
Movie yun.
Paano nag-start yung project? Who approached you?
Nag-start po yun sa Japan. When they told me about it, parang sobrang gulat na gulat ako.
This year?
It will start next year po.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm excited kasi maganda yung story. I mean, I can't really disclose it paano ngayon. Pero it's heartwarming and it's very meaningful, especially to Japanese and Filipinas. Okay.
Paano ka nung-ofera ng gano'n? Paano ka in-approach or inalok ng gano'ng project sa Japan?
We went to the backstage after one of my performances po. And then they had their whole team. Nandun na yung like the script writer, the person in charge of the project. And they showed me the script and they told me all about it. Pero syempre, final decision first is when we decide to join the project. But when I heard about it, parang very nice naman yung idea niya.
Will you be portraying a Pinay or a Japanese?
I'll be portraying a Pinay, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna speak Tagalog, English, or Japanese, so we'll see about it.
While filming it, stay ka din sa Japan na for ilang months or isang taon? Mahaba ba yun? Pag nag-start na
Sa
mag-film
Japan bang filming?
or...
Mag-stay ka ba doon?
Maybe there are a few scenes in Japan, and meron din po dito sa Manila.
Okay naman, costume din ba ito?
Ano po, very, very normal.
But what if maging demanding yung talent agents mo dun sa Japan? Feeling ka ba na dun na lang, hindi na natin kailangan bumalik ka dito sa Philippines for some other project?
May times na umabot na rin po almost a month I stayed there kasi every day my work. But I still wanted to come back, syempre for my family, and I also have commitments pa po here in Manila.
Mami, paano nyo pinayagan na mag-Japan, mag-work sa Japan?
Yes, maagad ang sagot ng family doon.
Yes. At first, sinasamahan ko siya for 6 times going to Japan. And then, mapakita ko ng settle and okay yung kanyang talent management. Kinukuha na ko na siya.
Mami, sabi mo may restrictions when it comes to her costumes. Like, how about sa love life niya? Paano naman tayo?
Okay, bahala na siya doon.
Wala kang approval doon, Mami, bahala na siya. Hindi ko magaya sa'yo.
Hindi. Yes, mine or own.
Okay. Gusto ba yun?
Yeah, okay naman. Parang, syempre, I will still listen to what mommy or daddy says, but in the end, syempre, we'll see how it goes.
Okay.
Support mo kay sa kapatid mo sa Japan na nangyari? Sinasamahan mo din siya or...
I once went there once or twice. Pero, ayun, na-post ko rin nang wala. Pero ayun, support naman ako sa iyo.
Pero pag-cosplay sa Japan, ginagawa mo din.